So the phone does support, Hi guys! So today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11. So just to give you some background on why I picked this phone. So I have always been team Android, as you can see. So currently I've got a Google Pixel 2, which I've had for about 3 years now. The thing is, it started dying on me, I'm having battery issues, so I started looking for a new phone. So one of the most important aspects for me on a phone is the camera, because I use it quite a lot for videos, photos, you name it. So it seems the iPhone 11 is actually one of the top picks for good camera. So I was in between the iPhone 11 and the Pixel 4. So I decided to opt for the 11 to try it out for a few days, check out the camera, see how it performs in comparison to a Pixel. I got the iPhone 11 in white, 128 gigs. So let's get into the unboxing. Quite pretty actually. So the iPhone 11 comes with an aluminium frame and Gorilla Glass on the back and front of the phone. I do actually like the glossy look. I'm not a fan of the matte look like the Pro. It's quite nice actually. It's a nice size in comparison to my Pixel. I would say it's almost about the same height. Maybe just a little bit wider. Okay. Let's turn it on. How do you turn this on? Just let you know, I've never had an iPhone in my life, so bear with me.
Okay.
Is it here? Nope. Oh, yes it is. It's alive. So meanwhile, while it's turning on, let's have a look at what comes in the box. So, you've got a pair of earphones with the cable. Then you've got the lightning cable to USB. And then you've got the 5-watt charging block. So the phone does support fast charging, but you need to get the 18-watt, which comes with, I think it comes with it, I'm not sure if you have to buy it separately, but the cable for the 18-watt block is USB to, it's lightning to USB-C. So I would have actually preferred if the iPhone 11 was also USB-C. It would have just made life easier when, you know, needing to connect with my Mac, but it's okay, I'm not mad at it. So, saying hello to us. It's also pretty heavy in comparison to my Google Pixel 2. I'm not sure how much heavier exactly, but you can definitely feel it. So I'm gonna set up the phone and then I'll be back. I'm doing at the moment is transferring all my files from my Android to the iPhone. So while it's doing that, I've got 2 phone covers here that I ordered from Amazon. One is by the brand Poetic and the other one is Cosmo. So let's start with Poetic. So we've got this lilac and clear cover from Poetic. It seems really sturdy, so I'm going to pop that on the phone. So that's what it looks like on the phone. I picked this case because of the bumper around it. It does make your phone a bit chunkier, but this was an investment and it needs to be protected. So it's called Poetic Affinity Apple iPhone 11 6.1 inch purple nude. And that's what you get. So the Cosmo case that I picked is actually a two-part case. So it already comes with a screen protector and it comes with the back. So you've got the installation guide there. And then it comes all nice and packaged up.
A few moments later.
So the protective screen actually just feels like plastic. Literally just like a plastic film. So I don't actually think this would be very protective. But that's why I also got tempered glass protection. So let's put this on the phone. Let's look at the installation guide. So first it's the front bit that goes on. So it just snaps on like that. And then it's the back. And just press on the sides just so it's all aligned. And then that's what it looks like. So it's really cute. I really like it. It does make the phone a lot chunkier than the Poetic one does, but it's really cute. Really cute. If I do keep this one, I think I might just use the tempered glass underneath because I don't think this is protective. I might just remove the film altogether and just have the tempered glass there. So the bumper is raised on the inside. As you can see, so if your phone drops face down, the screen will not have contact with the ground lines. I'm going to insert some pictures just so you guys can see better because I know the light is reflecting a bit too much. But yes, those are our two cases. Hey guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link down below the cases and see you next time.
Bye, have a great time.